Not a lot of people realize this, but your teeth play a very big part of your healthy lifestyle. When you start losing your teeth, especially in the front, it's gonna affect your confidence level, it's gonna affect your aesthetics, it's gonna affect the way you eat, the way you speak. Not only that, your teeth are gonna start shifting, and once it starts shifting, you're gonna experience some bone loss. Eventually, you're gonna end up losing more teeth in the future. That is why it is important to replace your missing teeth with dental implants. The main thing is that it's gonna help preserve your bone. You're not gonna lose any more bone. So not only that, it's gonna give you your function back and your aesthetics. Here at Sapphire Family Dentistry, we specialize in replacing missing teeth with dental implants. Today, dental implants are the gold standard to replace your missing teeth. This allows us to give our patients their function and their aesthetics back. Not only that, it will allow us to give you your confidence and your smile back.